Pictures, wiring diagrams, mechanical drawings. Normally, you'd have to open the document first, dig through tabs, click around. Not anymore. Now we just show them right inside your EAM screen. No extra clicks, no extra pain. Just, boom, there it is. In this example, we're doing it in a UDF screen. But honestly, it works anywhere. If there's a panel, we'll stick an image in it. Let's make EAM a little smarter and a lot more visual. In this example, we're keeping it simple. We follow the link, open the familiar document screen, add a new record, upload a file, and that's it. Once we've uploaded the document, we take the document code and drop it right into our screen. Just like that, no extra clicks. We're already back in our form. From now on, the image loads instantly when you open the screen. No clicking, no guessing file names, just the right picture in the right place. Easy, smart, and surprisingly satisfying. All right, and now, let me show you how it all works behind the scenes. Just a quick schematic, no engineering degree required. Let's trigger some magic. Sparkles. We hook into key screen events to control exactly when the image shows up. When the layout finishes rendering, we drop the image in. And before creating a new record, we clean it up to keep things tidy. Build it, and it will load. First, we grab the current eamId directly from session storage. Then we combine it with the document code from the form. Together, they create a clean, dynamic URL that fetches the image straight from the smart cloud. Simple, fast, and totally native to EAM. And now we drop the image right into the form, hot and ready. Fire. We find the parent layout of the field, create a new ext container, and inject the image right below it. Simple. And that's it. Smooth images, smart scripts, and way fewer clicks. If this made your EAM screens a little cooler today, go ahead, give it a like, maybe even a subscribe. And if you want to make your own screen smarter, you know where to find us. Just reach out. We're always happy to bring a little more magic to your IT world.